Hello everyone, compliments of the season, my wonderful people, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you the easiest way to make the tastiest bitter leaf soup. So sit back, relax, and let me take you through the process step by step. Here are all the ingredients we'll be using for this recipe. Goat meat, pork meat, red oil, habanero pepper, seasoning cubes, Ofor. I will show you how to prepare this later in the video. Stock fish, smoked fish, Kpomo, crayfish, salt to taste, and of course our fresh bitter leaves. Pluck the bitter leaves from the stems and set them aside. I will also show you the best way to prepare them, so stay with me. In a clean pot, add the Ofor. Pour in enough water and let it cook for 30 to 45 minutes or until the skin starts to soften and shed inside the pot. While the Ofor is cooking, let's prepare our bitter leaves. After plucking the leaves, transfer them into a large bowl. Add some salt. This prevents the leaves from breaking into tiny pieces while washing. Now start squeezing and washing the leaves just like you see in the video. As you wash, you will notice foamy green water. That means you're washing it right. Wash for 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse. Repeat this washing and rinsing process about 3 times. By the third wash, the bitterness should have been reduced by around 60%. Add clean water to the leaves and set them aside. After 30 to 45 minutes, our Ofor should be ready. Remove it from the pot and peel off the skin. Next, put your already washed bitter leaf in a pot. Add enough cold water and bring it to a boil. Once it starts boiling, remove it immediately. Rinse it with cold water and leave it in a sieve for later. In a clean pot, add your goat meat and Kpomo. Add your seasoning cubes and salt. Stir very well to combine. Add water and cook until they are about 80% soft. This is our already peeled Ofor. Blend the peeled Ofor until smooth, then set it aside for later. If you have watched till this point, please do well to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment. Thank you. Once the goat meat is almost ready, add the pork. Stir very well to combine. Add more water to the pot. Add the smoked fish and stock fish. Season again with salt and seasoning cubes. Stir carefully and cook for about 15 minutes. Once done, set it aside. I switched to a bigger pot because the soup was getting full. Now add cold water. This will determine the final quantity of the soup. Immediately add your palm oil and stir well. Cover and allow it to come to a boil. Once the soup begins to boil, open the pot. Stir very well to combine. And add your blended Ofor to thicken it. Make sure to stir the blended Ofor very well into the soup. Add the habanero peppers, the seasoning cubes, and salt if needed. Stir generously, cover and let it boil again. At this point, the soup is about 90% ready. Open the pot and stir very well to combine. Then add your bitter leaves and crayfish immediately. Stir thoroughly. Adjust seasoning if necessary. Cover and let it cook for just 3 minutes. Wow, just look at that. Fresh bitter leaf soup has an aroma that's simply unmatched. This pot came out absolutely perfect and super delicious. Tell me in the comments, what swallow do you love pairing your bitter leaf soup with? What other ingredients do you like to add? Share your secrets. Let's learn from one another. Thank you so much for watching and for always supporting my page. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so before you forget. Help the algorithm by liking this video and leaving a comment. I will see you in my next video. Have a wonderful week. Bye bye.